Hey everyone, we are going to now start and explore how to access and use Signing Stars units. This is going to be really quick and brief, so hopefully I don't go too fast, but you can rewind it and see it again. Now, when you're here, you just open the one that you bought, okay? And when you're here, you're going to see currently right now, again, things can change. On the right, you have options to click. Also, if you scroll down, it's that way as well. So these right here are going to have your main, I'm going to call it meat to get you started. It's going to have your packet if that's available as one. When we first started, we actually put all of the worksheets in each of the lessons, and then later we got feedback and we added them as a full packet. So that's one thing that will be different. Okay, our goal is to go back and add them as a whole packet together, but we shall see. All right, so anyway, when you start right here, this gives you information. You're also going to have, like every month, these are all color-coded, just so you know. They are color-coded, and you'll be able to walk through and see everything. When you start right here, you're going to have awards for the kids. We're going to have charts. You're going to have badges that they could earn, all kinds of things like this. Okay, and everything will give you information pretty quickly. Okay, now right here, I'm not going to take the time to go through every one of these, but just notice they are done by themes. And then we have them by maths, and as you can see, the list goes on. Okay, I'm going to go over here and open up a unit 7. Again, you see color right here. I'm going to show you right here. If we do right here, I'm going to go to the pacing guide in the library. This is a lot of research that has so many additional resources for you. Okay, and in here you want to make sure you see in these. We have them in different options. You're going to have a Google slide, but also we have them as a paper form in case you can't access a Google anything. And all of these links right here will give you this information. Okay, I'm going to open up so you can see what one looks like. Okay, just to be clear, this is in addition to all of the worksheets that you are going to be receiving. Yes. Okay, so let me show you. This is the packet right here. You also have like everything tucked in there together. So one idea here is we give you even additional ideas to use with your students. All of this information here in one place, and it goes on. All right, then you're going to have a video library that you can use on your smartboard or something. You click on here and you can just instantly, it opens up. The videos are supported with English, ASL, and also Spanish. Okay, the next thing that we give you is your pacing guide. So we give you the learning targets right here. Then when you click on the bottom right here, you're going to see this just focused on the unit that you bought. Okay, these all relate to everything that you have in your packet. And you're going to have all of this goodness. So we give you added links for your convenience in one place. Okay, so you can see right here what we have, and it goes on and on. And you can go access your units right here quickly too, and things like that. Okay, there you go. Now let's come on back to the lesson that I was showing you here. Each of these will open up, okay? And let me open one up for you right here. Let's say we're going to do, so I have opened up this. This is in Unit 7, just so I think it is. No, this is 3, just so you can see clearly. This is for the WH questions. Okay, this is what one looks like. Okay, so we usually add some signs quickly right there for you. Again, this is all of the additional bonus information that you can use as ideas. Coming on down, you're going to also have a video. Sometimes it's me signing or another person, deaf or hearing, that will teach you how to sign each of the lessons. So if you're working with someone that needs sign language, we help you learn the directions. Also, we go through and at times we add videos just for you to be able to show the student. Some are just focused on vocabulary. It's whatever matches that lesson and that unit. Okay, and notice right here you have bars to go move, or you can go on the left. Now, another important thing to know right here is your material tab. You click there, you can download that as well. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear. These information right here are yours forever. Download it, save it on your laptop. It's yours, okay? All right, so there you go. There is a summary of how to use the signing stars. And if you come on down here at the end, you'll see kind of like a wrap up, how to get support or join online. Right here, start here. Again, we have the rewards every month that change out. So tons of information. That's it in a summary. I hope that explains everything. And again, please know that things do change and you may find an error. Just let us know. We're happy to help any way we can. And please, please, please take just a moment and share ASLTeachingResources.com in your Facebook group. Help us spread the word so other teachers can have these resources as well. Thank you.